the devil cannot see. But the moment you enter your mother's womb, the dark side can see. The moment you get that's why somebody will come to you. Pregnant. 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 The dark side has seen. Pregnant. Now, if you are pregnant, what happened? What happened? By which spirit do they see it? The wrong side. When you are jabul, I'll shoot the sevens. No, it's the dark side. While God has consecrated you and set you apart, the devil cannot see. Because there, God has set you apart. But the moment God releases, He begins to form you in your mother's womb. The dark side comes. You get it now? Now, but let's deal with her. Access spinach, akusumdoko imbewu. Imbewu. Wena uthi spinach ebekangithanda ngisase pregnant. Bekangenzela spinach right wangidlisa umrokho. Umrokho wakhe bomnandi nang pregnant. It was a seed. What?
Keep quiet.
It was a seed.
Keep quiet. Hey. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
It's spinach. It's hunger. They were dealing with the child. What?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
What? Now you see, she's vomiting. Bring the bucket. It's coming out from the roots. So you are using her success, no?
Yeah.
She's
Results
vomiting.
Let
Let it all go out. Vomited out everything. Vomited out. Vomited out. From the roots. From the roots. From the roots. From the roots. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Witchcraft. Get out. Something must be born. Number 9, the number of birth. Something must be born. Something must come out. You must carry your Isaac and love. So you